Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to meditate in Bonsai board game. On each player's turn, they get to choose whether to meditate or cultivate. And in this video I'm gonna show you how to meditate. First, choose one of the face-up cards on the board and take it. So here are the face-up cards and take one of them. Let's say it's the purple player's turn, so they choose this card. And I'm gonna place it here just for now, and then I'm gonna show you how to arrange them with the Seishi tile. But now I'm gonna also explain that you need to take bonsai tiles along with the card. So on the board there are these tiles drawn, and if I've taken a card from here, I take 0 bonsai tiles. If I've taken a card from here, I take either a wood tile or a leaf tile. If I've taken it from here, either a wood or a flower tile, and from here either a leaf or a fruit tile. So I take none. But if I've taken a card from here, I would get to choose one of these tiles and take it from the common supply to my personal supply. Now you need to adjust these cards which are left to the right side like that, so this left space is vacant, so they can't stay like that. If I've taken a card from here, I need to place these cards like that, so the new taken card from this pile gets put here. And now I'm gonna show you how to arrange the cards. Let's take the Seishi with the cards that are already here, and on the right side of your Seishi are growth cards. These ones with the tiles drawn. They tell you how many tiles and which type of tiles you can place on one turn of cultivating. And on the left side there are gonna be tool cards, which tell you how many cards you can have at max in your supply. So I can now have up to 9 tiles, 9 bonsai tiles in my supply. I currently have 6, so I can get 3 more. And the beginning limit is 5. And I can extend the limit by these tool cards. So that is how it works. And on one turn of cultivating, I can place one tile of choice, one wood tile, one leaf tile, one fruit tile, and one wood tile, so 2 wood tiles in total. And that gives me 5 tiles in total. And keep your helper and master cards beside your Seishi tile in a single face down pile after performing their effects. And also keep your parchment cards in the same face down pile. They will be scored at the game's end. And that's meditating in Bonsai. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.